and which is missing now. At that time, we had political parties of ideology. In the parliament, you knew in the Second Republic what UPN and PRP will vote for, and what NPN and NPP and DNPP will vote for. But today, you know, the latest one about this party, all the parties work together. In fact, when Senator Ningi alleged that 3.7 trillion was added to the budget, the presidency issued a very interesting statement that many of us didn't quite notice. That the National Assembly members, in their wisdom, padded the budget only to the tune of 1.2 trillion naira, not 3.7. But, you know the point I'm making, and all the parties were united in suspending Senator Ningi. Your Excellency, this leads me to another problem, which we must discuss here today. The greatest problem in Africa is impunity. Impunity. I think former President Jonathan is on his way to Senegal. They are going to monitor election. And only the people can defend democracy, not politicians, not the army or the police. And how will the people do it? In Senegal, the president wanted to do a third term. The people said no. What will I do? The president wasn't sure his candidate will win. He postponed the election indefinitely. President Sakimo, the people said no. They are forcing now. The election will take place on Sunday. So some of our people are going there to watch it.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.